Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your Google password. So let's go ahead and open your Google application. For example, you can open your Gmail account. From here, go ahead and log into the specific account of which you want to change your password. Click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new page. From here, you need to go ahead and select Google Password, which is between security and sign-in and linked apps. Once you do that, a new page will appear and you need to verify that it's your account. Go ahead and click on continue. You can also use your passkey, your touch ID in your device, or you can also try entering the password of your specific Gmail account to log in and verify. Now you'll get a new page where you can go ahead and enter your new password. Go ahead and type a new password in the top field. After that, go to the next field and also enter the same password. Then select change password, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Make sure that your password is 8 characters long. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.